The topic of today's video is how to get working Glovo discount codes. Now, of course, we are ignoring the promotions that are on the actual app itself. You'll see those when you are making a purchase. You'll see they have discounts on certain stores and certain items. If you are actively seeking those codes, though, what you can do is you can check out Worthy Penny or you can go to coupon.org. These two websites function almost identical to each other, and they have a ton of codes that you can rate. If they work, if they don't, they'll show you how many people have used the codes, and try to remember that all codes are region specific, well, most of the time. The easiest way, just go to Google and type in Glovo promo codes. Highly likely Worthy Penny or coupon.org will pop up anyways. As well as checking out Reddit, they tend to have discount codes on there as well. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.